All right, this is a CNC test for Joe. Machine is plugged in, got the PC plugged into this power strip. It's something I'm gonna throw in there, prevents any kind of interference. The control box, which is all your stuff inside here, that's another just standard 110, 120, 15 amp. The NEMA 620 is underneath, that's for the spindle. So I'm gonna turn everything on. Go down here first, hit the computer, and then turn the box on. And you can hear everything firing up. And then we'll get a timestamp off the screen. And I may have to break these videos up just to keep the file size within reason. There's your timestamp. It is 3:36 p.m. 8/21/2025. I'm gonna go up here to the Win CNC icon, and all these files are gonna be transferred off the computer. Those are my personal files. You'll have your manuals and maintenance files, all that stuff will be on your desktop. So I'm gonna go up here. Win CNC is open. Go down here. I'm gonna jog the spindle. First step is, it's in the park position back there. So this is the Y travel and X travel. And we'll bring it back a little. Then I'm gonna go up here and hit initialize. This homes the machine and gets X0, Y0 calibrated. Once you hit that, the spindle's gonna use the soft limits so it finds itself. And that way your reference will always be X0, Y0, which is the bottom left-hand corner if you're facing the machine. All right, so we are homed now. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and first test, I'm gonna hit park. Park is saved to the back right corner if you're facing the machine. So I'm gonna hit park. And there it goes. I do this after every job to get the spindle out of the way. And you see this piece of birch. That's gonna be a test piece. I'm gonna do a test cut file, and I'm gonna leave this piece on here with the 60-degree V-bit inside the spindle. That way when you get the machine, you can initialize the machine, and the file will be on the desktop. So all you have to do is go through and zero everything out and hit run, load your test file, and it should trace the lines perfectly. That's gonna be a separate video because we're at 3 minutes already, but that's the park position. I'm gonna go back to X0, Y0, which is what we initialized. The spindle will travel all the way back to the front left corner, and may as well throw in the Z touch plate. The Z touch plate is right here, and all of this stuff will be tucked away inside this little box. There's your Keith Moreland dust boot. I had to remove that in order to mount the gantry support, the brace, because the spindle has to sit inside so that it doesn't travel. So that's the only reason I had to take that off. I'm gonna plug this in here, your touch off plate. I'm gonna set it on top of the material. And inside the file, Z0 is gonna be set to top of the material. I'm gonna scroll over, go right here, and I'm gonna go up here and hit touch top. Now the Z travel is gonna go down, it's gonna touch the plate, and then it has its Z origin position off the top of the material. Your test file will be carved into this. So now it's Z0'd. Take off the touch plate. The green shows that is the Z reference. And I'm gonna go back to X0, Y0. Now your machine is ready to load files and cut. Let's stop that at 5 minutes. There'll be a video 2.